Today I'm taking a page right out of my cookbook and I'm going to show you how I like to make chocolate ganache. I love to use this for chocolate cake or chocolate cupcakes. I'll put both recipe videos in the description below.
Here I have 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. To that I'm going to add a half cup of hot heavy cream that I've just heated up in the microwave for about a minute. And now I'm just going to let this set for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'm going to take my whisk and start to combine the heavy cream with the melted chocolate chips. Okay, so that's combined well. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. In my recipe book, I used salted butter, but this is unsalted butter, so I added a pinch of salt. I've added 1 tablespoon of softened butter, and now I'm going to add a splash of vanilla extract, give it a mix, and the ganache is ready.
Now that the ganache is mixed, I'm going to top my chocolate cake. And if you want the recipe for this chocolate cake, I will link the full recipe video in the description below. Another favorite in my house are chocolate cupcakes, and it's so easy to just dip the cupcake into the bowl of ganache, swirl it around, and then I like to place it in the refrigerator to set. It's perfect for parties or just a treat. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.